Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 5, the judicial system, and our last topic, that is unpopular judgment of the court. So there have been judgment by the court that have worked against the best interest of the common man. So some judgments are there that have done by the court that have worked against the best interest of common man. So we are going to discuss some examples that how the judgment of the court have worked against the interest of the common man. First was sealing of commercial establishment and shops in Delhi. So in Delhi, what was happening? They were throwing thousands of people out of the employment. By sealing of the commercial establishments and shop in Delhi, it threw thousands of people out of the employment. What happened? People came out on streets and they do demonstrations. They went on strikes and bandh against the ruling of the court, because court decided this order, court they gave this order. So thousands of worker livelihood was lost. Okay, people came out on the street, they held the demonstrations and observed strikes and bandhs against the ruling of the court, this decision. So recently, one more judgment came, that is eviction. Eviction means removing from the property. Means eviction of some dwellers and jugis in Delhi and Mumbai. Okay, they were removing the juggi jhopdis of the slum dwellers in Delhi and Mumbai. It is very unpopular rule. This judgment was very unpopular. People and media have given opinion for and against regarding this particular decision. In the year 2000, the Supreme Court ordered that all the buses in Delhi to be converted to CNG. The workers went on strikes, okay. It put inconvenience to lack of the daily commuters, okay. The workers, the bus owners, they went on strike, causing inconvenience to lakhs of daily people who are traveling through bus. After many hearings and orders by the court, eventually it was decided that buses will be converted to CNG mode. A few judgments like above being unpopular, and it served in the large greater interest of the people. See, CNG, you know, na, compressed natural gas. Okay, because you know Delhi is being polluted from through the vehicles only. So this was decided by the court that all the buses in Delhi to be converted to CNG. After many hearings of the court, it was decided that it will be converted into CNG. Okay, that all the buses were to converted into the CNG mode. Many workers, means bus owners, they went on strikes. It causes inconvenience to lack of the daily commuters who are traveling through buses. But in the last, it was decided that all the buses which are there in Delhi were converted to the CNG mode. In some cases, earlier judgment have been reversed by the court. Earlier the judgment was given by the court, sometime it is reversed by the court. In one judgment was Olga Teles versus BMC. BMC means Bombay Municipal Corporation. BMC full form is Bombay Municipal Corporation. It is Olga Teles versus Bombay Municipal Corporation. In 1985, the court tried to protect the livelihood of slum dwellers. Here, the judgment established that the people are having right to livelihood according to Article 21. They are having right to livelihood. It is a part of their fundamental right to life. Okay, the slum dwellers could not be evicted from their place. Okay, right to livelihood and right to life is a fundamental right. So this judgment was important as it cancelled the eviction of the slum dwellers. Okay, it cancelled the eviction of the slum dwellers who have been earlier deprived of their livelihood, and consequently their right to life was taken away from them. So it was given back to them. Now the next topic which we are going to discuss today, that is your Lok Adalat. Another issue that works against the interest of common man. The court take long years, round about 10 to 15 years, sometimes more than that, to finally decide a case. So poor people cannot afford it. They are not having time. They are not having that much money to be spent and go to the court's hearing. Okay, they are not having this much money that they can spend on the long course of litigation. Litigation means a legal procedure. So it is being said that justice delayed is justice denied. If the justice is being delayed, it means that justice is being denied. It is a phrase we commonly used to say that the long delay in the deliverance of justice. There is a long delay in the deliverance of justice. Lok Adalats were started in 1985 and to cheap and speedy justice available to the poor people. As poor people cannot afford the lawyers, they are not having this much time. So Lok Adalats were set up in 1985 to make it cheap and speedy justice to the poor people. The first Lok Adalat underline was organized in 1985 and it set up a record of clearing 105 cases in a day. So first Lok Adalat set up in 1985, it cleared 105 cases in a day. Lok Adalats are presided over by the retired judges. The judges who have already been retired, they presides over the meeting of the Lok Adalats. Okay. There is no advocates to plead their clients' cases. No advocates are there to plead their clients' cases. Lok Adalat presided by the retired judges. The people involved in the dispute plead their own case. Now, if a dispute happened between you and me, then you will come to the court pleading your case on your own. Okay, no lawyer will be appointed. You will plead your case on your own. It reduces the cost as well as the time consumed in fighting the court case. Okay, you know your matter well. If you are coming to the court, pleading your own case, that is benefited. However, our judicial system as envisioned means visualize the framers of the constitution, it has been very successful in providing justice to the maximum of the number of people. The courts have successfully protected our fundamental rights of the people. The judiciary is exercising its power that they should check the balance and execute and legislative power of the government. It has played a very crucial role in fulfilling the lofty ideals of democracy. So this judiciary system is a system, that checks, I told you, legislature, executive, judiciary. They keep a check on each other, that everybody is working properly or not. It played a very crucial role in fulfilling the ideals of democracy. These are the organs. They play a very crucial role in fulfilling the ideals of democracy. Okay, this was your chapter. Here, the chapter is being finished. Okay, thank you and have a nice day ahead.